Welcome, Charmers. I'm your host, Atticus Nightingale, and you're watching Charm Savant. Thank you for tuning in, stopping by, saying hello. Now, today in this video, it's going to be a fairly short video, actually. This is a continuation to my Hobby Lobby haul, where I'm going to be putting together a Hogwarts house point tracking system. Not technically the full system, but I have a few bits and bobs that I purchased that I'll be putting together to make my own makeshift house points, okay? So, the main things that you're going to need is going to be sand, at least what I got. It's messy, so you have to be very careful with it. Sand, you can do beans, you can do beads, cotton balls. As long as you're able to get the 4 different house colors and 4 different vessels, you can pretty much make house points using anything. But for this demonstration, I'm going to be using the sand. So first things first, let's go ahead and get these open. So we have Ravenclaw and Hufflepuff. Now for Slytherin, funny enough, while I was being sorted, I could have been sorted into Slytherin. And I just love the look of this sand, especially in the light. You truly see the shines in there. It's almost mesmerizing. The Niffler in me, if I was the size of an ant, I would dive into this. But I'm getting off track. Only thing left to do now is to pour it in our vials. Of course, you know which house I'm going to be putting in first place. Hufflepuff, of course, come on. Have some faith in me. Ravenclaw. And there you have it, folks. Just like that, you have your very own set of Hogwarts house points. Now don't fret, my friends, don't fret. I can sense the anger from the Hufflepuffs radiating through the screen. So, these house points are based off of my Pottermore quiz, okay? So, of course I have Ravenclaw majority at 33%. I have Gryffindor at a very close second at 26%. Slytherin at 24%. Then a very modest 17% Hufflepuff. I mean, what can I say? I'm witty, I love my knowledge, and I'm wise. But with the Gryffindor, I'm a bit reckless. I can be foolish sometimes. But with the Slytherin in there, I'm extremely ambitious. I always strive to be the best that there is. And with the Hufflepuff in there, I'm extremely loyal to my friends as well as family. And I'm also very patient when it comes to who I'm dealing with. But that pretty much sums up my video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this little DIY. It's fairly simple. I didn't go all out. And I'll save that for my friend that's going to be on the channel a little bit later. He is the one that does most of the tinkering and the fixings and the breakings and the putting back together. He's the real mastermind behind crafting. I'm just a novice when it comes to that stuff. But ask me anything about Potter, I'll be glad to inform you, my friends. But it has been your host, Atticus Nightingale, signing off. And until then, my friends, stay charming.